You don't realize just how disgusting your living situation happens to be until you know that someone's coming over. It's even worse when you don't know they're coming over, and your only warning is the doorbell. I've learned to hate the sound of my doorbell. Oh, long day. So I'm at home on a warm Friday afternoon, YouTubing like I do. And I hear the doorbell ring. I figure it's a Jehovah's Witness, or someone trying to get me to subscribe to the paper. I rush to the door, quickly, yet quietly. I look out the peephole, and I realize that it's the guy that needs to check on a couple of things regarding the new house, the inspector guy, warranty stuff. So I scramble to find a pair of pants. I take my casual Friday seriously and answer the door. Long story short, I ended up asking him to come back 2.5 hours later so that I could clean. That's embarrassing. But it's not my fault. Apparently, I married Fred Sanford. My wife will say any day that she's cleaner than me. She's wrong. And you can tell her I said this too. So, I must have burned 8,000 calories single-handedly cleaning this entire place. But I'm glad, because I no longer feel like I'm living on the set of Cops.